Welcome to Geometry Zone. Can you draw a triangle when only two sides and one angle are given? Yes, that is enough to draw a perfect rectangle. In this video, we will learn how to construct a triangle using two sides and the included angle. And this method is known as SAS method. Now we consider a problem. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB equal to 5 cm, AC equal to 4.3 cm and angle A equal to 60 degree. For this, we draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. Let we consider this point A, B, C. Here it is given angle BAC equal to 60 degree and AC equal to 4.3 cm, AB equal to 5 cm. Now we construct triangle ABC step by step. The given measurement AB equal to 5 cm. So we draw a line segment AB whose measurement is 5 cm. 5 cm. AC equal to 4.3 cm. AC 4.3 cm. And angle C equals to 60 degree. Now we construct the triangle ABC. For this, at first we draw a line with any measurement and name it as AX. Now we take the measurement of AB, which is 5 cm given. And with this measurement, we draw an arc from the point A on AX. We get a point B. Now at the point A, we draw an angle which is the same measurement of the given angle as 60 degree. We get an angle and let any point on this line as Y. Now we measure the length of AC and we start at the point C. Now we join BC. So we get the triangle ABC whose three measurements are given. Thank you for watching this class, and for more informative tips on geometry, please subscribe to Geometry Zone to visit again.